Hello, how are you? Today, the owner of a literature website has given us the responsibility to publish 2 pages. We have to publish a poem. This is the design, and here are the 2 pages we have to publish. Previously, we learned about paragraphs, HTML paragraphs, but in this case, we also will need line breaks. We also do not know about the background image, so it may take 2 or 3 videos to complete this task. The owner has also given us the text. Here is the text. So I shall copy the whole text. This is the poem, beautiful poem about the ocean, and then we need to open the code editor. First of all, we shall create the HTML template. So this is the way to quickly create the HTML template. Now I need to have proper title here. I will name the title as the poem. Save. And inside the body I shall paste the whole poem. I shall remove this space here. Let's see how it looks. So our file name is linebreak.html. Let's double click. So it looks like this, and let's view this page source. You see, we have all those paragraphs and line breaks here, but those spaces has no value on the output. Only the spaces between the words have value. Other spaces we have to create with HTML tags. So let's try to do that. So here first of all we'll need the h1, cut the ending tag and paste it after the title, the heading of the poem, and then we have the poet. For that we need h2, cut it and paste it. Let's check the output. Reload. So we have both the heading of the poem and also the poet name done. Now we shall add the paragraphs. What I'll do, I'll cut the first part and make the paragraph, paste, and yes, like this. This is the standard way, so that you can see the starting tag and the ending tag easily, not after lines. I'll do the same with the other paragraphs. Ctrl X, P, enter and paste, tab here, save, and here I'll create other P, enter, cut and tab, paste, here tab, and here P, enter, here cut, here paste, and here tab. So all the paragraphs are done. Let's see the output. So this is the output, but we have only 4 lines, but the poem has more lines, you see. So this poem has 16 lines. My question is, what will happen if I add more paragraphs here? So I'll try to do that. Maybe do something like this. We have 4 lines here. We shall try to use paragraphs to create 4 lines here to see how the effect is in this case. Let's try to do that. I'll create 4 paragraphs. I'll copy the lines and paste it within those paragraphs. I have added those 4 lines. Each line has its own paragraph. Let's try to see the output. So I am checking the output here. You see, if each line has some extra space here. If you check the source, the yellow area, this is taking extra space because of the paragraph. But if you check the source, there is no extra space after the lines. So what to do now? We cannot use paragraphs. In this case, we have to use line break to break the lines. So let's check the code editor, and I will delete all these lines because I copied those lines. So we need line break here. So this is the way to create line break. Line break has only one tag. Now copy the line break tag and paste it here. The last line will not need line break because we are already breaking the line using the paragraph tag. For the next paragraph, put line break, put line break. Let's check the output if we are doing correctly. Reload now. You see there is no extra space within these lines. If you inspect, there is no extra space here because of the line breaks. Okay, so let's complete. Done. Let's check the output. So the poem is done, but one thing to note, our client wants the poem right aligned. Also please note that we have a background image, but we will close our video here. In our next videos we will learn how to do the right align and also add the background. If you like this video, please subscribe and please look for the next videos where we will complete this task. Thank you. See you later.